Ever wondered how your phone knows exactly what you want to type next, or how Netflix recommends the perfect movie for your Friday night? The secret isn't magic, it's machine learning. And in the next 3 minutes, you're going to understand exactly what that means. So, what is machine learning? Simply put, it's a way of teaching computers to learn from data, just like how we learn from experience. Instead of programming every single rule, we give the computer a huge amount of information and let it figure out the patterns on its own. You might hear the terms artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, used together. Think of AI as the big goal, creating smart machines. Machine learning is one of the most powerful tools we use to achieve that goal. It's the engine that powers much of the AI we see today. There are a few main ways machines learn. The first is supervised learning. This is like learning with a teacher. We give the computer labeled data, like pictures of cats labeled cat and pictures of dogs labeled dog. Eventually, it learns to tell them apart on its own. Then there's unsupervised learning, which is like being thrown into a new city without a map. The computer gets a bunch of data and has to find its own patterns and groupings, like sorting customers into different purchasing groups without being told what those groups are. Finally, there's reinforcement learning. This is learning through trial and error, like teaching a dog a new trick. The computer, or agent, gets rewards for good actions and penalties for bad ones. This is how AI learns to play complex games like chess or Go, getting better with every move. Over time, these algorithms constantly refine their performance by analyzing new data and adjusting their internal models. We see machine learning everywhere. When you talk to Siri or Google Assistant, that's ML understanding your voice. When you use a navigation app to avoid traffic, that's ML predicting the best route. Even the spam filter in your email is using ML to learn what's junk and what's important. It's in our phones, our cars, and all over the internet. Of course, it's not perfect. Machine learning faces challenges like needing massive amounts of data and the risk of inheriting human biases. But the field is evolving incredibly fast. Looking towards 2025 and beyond, we can expect ML to revolutionize everything from healthcare by predicting diseases earlier to creating even more personalized and helpful technology. Machine learning isn't just a buzzword. It's a fundamental shift in how we solve problems and interact with the world. It's the engine of our digital future. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple explanations of complex tech. Thanks for watching.